This proves that Diablo 4 was a terrible idea. Players of the latest Hellspawn game were recently left out in the cold whenever a DDoS attack was initiated on Blizzard's game servers, which is something that happens from time to time with online games, but it especially stung this time because of the new Diablo requirements. Diablo 4 must be connected to the internet in order for it to launch. There is no offline mode, so whenever something like this happens, that prevents the game from connecting and it's rendered unplayable. And players have been asking for an offline mode since before the game even launched because of instances just like this. Because even if you have stable internet, that doesn't mean Blizzard does. But if nothing's done about that after this attack, then it just seems like